चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने बावर कराया है कि पानी के मामले पर पाकिस्तान को हकीकी खतरा है। हमें बहुत से इक़दामात करने होंगे, लेकिन इस अमर को देखना होगा कि कहीं दुनिया को ये तासुर न जाए कि पाकिस्तान ने भारतीय इक़दाम को तस्लीम कर लिया है और अब अपने रद्द-ए-अमल के तौर पर इक़दामात कर रहा है।
One must not merely deal with this as an environmental issue and as a diplomatic issue and and also all the other issues that we brought up, but also as an existential assault on Pakistan that requires a collaborative military response. Similarly, we make the point that within the Pakistani context, it has always been our consistent policy that we must adapt for a changing climate.
Right.
We must adopt war security measures, and we must do so now on a war footing. But we must do so in a way that does not accidentally signal to the world that Pakistan has accepted what India has stated or set out to do within the context of the Indus Border Treaty as a fait accompli. And in that context, we must be very careful that while we move towards desalination and drip irrigation and lining of canals and storage facilities, that we do not initiate any new project that sends the message that we have accepted what India has announced and now are making our alternative arrangements. This is a test for any nation.
Yeah.
It's when, fair enough, you have your internal disputes कि आपस में किसी चीज़ पे अपनी सियासत भी है, अपने issues भी है. लेकिन जब when a country is faced with an existential threat, then it must unite in a way that we all speak in one voice and in one motion.
But are we?
While countering that. Now take the example of Iran. It faces so many challenges, so many issues, difficulties, many stemming from the decades of how it's been treated. But as soon as the nation was attacked, as soon as it faced an existential threat, then the entire nation stood united around this cause.